This fucking son of a bitch right here is a prick. Fucking shitty ass fucking motorcycle. Shitty ass motorcycle. It smells like shit. We're dying in here. Look at this prick. Look at this fucking prick right here. He's such a prick. Here, we'll zoom in on his license plate so we know what his fucking shit is. Yeah, rev that shit up, bitch. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, nice motorcycle. Nice bike. Nice bike, yeah. Yeah. Motorcycle, man? That thing smelled like shit, huh?
What?
That vehicle that was just right here. It smelled like shit, huh?
Which one?
You don't smell that shit?
Hot sauce?
Hot sauce, please. You don't smell that shit?